How can my custom can view my story on Snapchat? Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. The first step, as usually, go open Snapchat. Then when Snap is opening, go here on your profile and click. Then go to settings and click again, and then you will go down and you will find an option who name view my story. Then you click, and now who can view my story? For example, everyone or friend only. As I select, now you will change it to custom like this, and now you will choose who can see your story, like the person. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.